Today's presentation is how to actively disrupt and grow profits in your business without hiring high-ticket consulting firms. Business disruption can impact your innovation, growth, and profit. Spend a few minutes today and learn 3 hidden value assets to help you take ownership of yourself, your business, and your market. You will see how to neutralize external threats known as disruptions by using a set of techniques that disruptors try to use to neutralize your forward progress in your business. The goal for today is, if you remain to the end of this presentation, there is a special gift waiting for everyone attending. This time-saving gift is used to maintain a competitive edge, making this business hard to duplicate. So I encourage you to stay to the end. To get the most out of this presentation and learn the vital elements you need to take control of your business, I encourage you to close out your distractors like social media, phones, preset alarms. Close everything that diverts your attention away from what you will learn in a few short minutes. Your presenter today is Ellen J. Harris, CEO founder of the Business Accelerated Company since 2005. I am a consultant, coach, designer, facilitator, professional technologist, business developer, and product designer. What would happen if you could accomplish positive disruption in your business? You would enjoy an unfair advantage over any competitor, any potential disruptor, and any startup because you would know exactly what to do to protect your business. Think about what it would be like for you to be a hero to your business partners, your employees, and your family because you kept the business alive and profitable in uncertain times. How would you feel when you deployed the right resources, made the right investments in the right areas of your business? What would consistent profits mean for you? I'd say pretty exciting. Don't you think so? My disclaimer is that the results are not typical for all businesses because businesses implement differently and there are unforeseen factors that will disrupt your path forward. Like in the first quarter of a year, you decide to begin the disruption, but things change. The direction of the company changes, management changes, and all other factors that you cannot anticipate at the time of your planning. Without using the technique I share today, this concept will not work. Using these methods in Business Accelerated Company, we added precision in repeating specific processes so this system does yield positive results. And if you stick with the process, you will experience a positive yield. The backstory is this. Business Accelerated was disrupted out of 3 different industries in the first 4 years of operation. Those industry segments were information services, information technology, and computer services. Today, using the techniques I share with you, I have managed to leverage a talent portfolio in the same industry since 2009. Just like working for a company that's been acquired by another, disruption exhibits some similar behaviors. So what is disruption really? Disruption is an innovative value system. Innovative disruption follows a pattern, creates opportunity, and gives back time. 3 hidden value assets of innovative disruption are hidden value asset number 1, the value system, hidden value asset number 2, the people element, and hidden value asset number 3, monitoring big companies. Hidden value asset number 1, the value system. I can uncover the business value with an external assessment using disruption as an innovation value system. It begins with a high-level analysis of your industry, of your segment, and of your category. You identify 3 to 6 competitors who are similar in products and services to your business. You define what each do that is different or similar to each other. You ask 3 what-if questions, and let me illustrate the what-if questions. You've heard of Zipcar. When Zipcar was in development and coming to market, the 3 what-if questions were: what if people who want to rent a car did not need or want to meet a rental agent? And what if there were no applications or paperwork to complete? And what if no key were required to open the door? The result was an innovation and a disruption through a membership revenue model, cars unlocked with a credit card, and applications and paperwork were contained within the membership model. That's an example of disruption as an innovation value system. Hidden value asset number 2, the people element. With this system, I can get closer to my prospects and customers using the people element in disruption as an innovation value system. Because 44% of business owners, business leaders, cannot define how value is created for customers. The exceptional experience was not only a potential customer demand, but also a business priority just a few short years ago. Customers judge a company by their treatment through customer service. Today, business focus is shifting away from customers with more attention given to disruption. What causes this disconnect between your company and your customers? Executives lose touch with frontline teams working directly with existing or potential customers. Many leaders discover their policies and procedures defining how customers are treated are either outdated or do not exist. This causes a collapse in the customer's relationship with your company. Hidden value asset number 3, monitor big companies. By monitoring the big companies, I can define how I will describe my offers to the market and capture interest through this disruption as an innovation value system. In 2015, Business Accelerated Company introduced a 2-day live virtual workshop training called How to Reinterpret Your Business Future. A total of 32 professionals attended, which netted the company a client at $12,000. The learning results were in marketing. When you launch a product or a presentation, give yourself at least 60 days to market a live event, especially if you are an unknown in the marketplace. What inspired the topic the Business Accelerated Company introduced? General Electric. In 2015, General Electric unveiled what I consider a high-order disruption. GE innovated, disrupted, spun off, and divested itself of a business unit known as GE Capital. The government saw GE and its GE Capital strategic business unit as a bank. The government identified GE and the business unit as too big to fail. GE deconstructed GE Capital, spun off GE Capital, creating Synchrony Financial, then sold Synchrony Financial, which is now known in the market as Synchrony Bank. GE then repositioned the remaining profit-generating GE Capital assets with non-revenue producing business units like research and development and engineering. The integration was a strategic implementation of revenue performance management. GE returned to its core business model, licensed its brand to a small business specializing in home appliances called Haier, Haier, operating out of China. Disruption as an innovative value system is possible for businesses of any size in any market. Another example is Research in Motion, the parent company of BlackBerry, which was left for dead in the marketplace until BlackBerry partnered with Google to create a navigation system introducing driverless car technology. BlackBerry disrupted itself to leverage an opportunity to bring its mobility technology to a technical concept platform created by Google. BlackBerry owned the navigational technology, giving a road vehicle an ability to see a surface pathway. Blockchain is the next platform, which is a system of systems, and it will restructure global finance systems, creating Fed coins and innovative high net worth portfolios. The Bitcoin, as we know today, may lose significance within our monetary system well before year 2020. The key to the process is people and their why. And you know about the why if you are familiar with Simon Sinek. It's not a Q&A exercise where you inundate your audience with questions. It is a shifting of executive and management mindset. Today you learned a few important things about disruption as an innovation value system in this presentation. I hope you took good notes because you'll go back to your office, you'll get busy, forgetting what you've learned. Then you'll read your notes tonight and try to remember the steps you want to use to start. So let me ask you a question. Would it help you to have a done-for-you template to help you start your own positive, disruptive, innovative value system in your business? Would it help you to gain an advantage over your competitors, especially if they could not figure out what you are doing or what you have done? How would you like me to help you with this? I can. Helping you get started with your initial approach to disrupting a company or a division or a department or a segment of your business is the reason why I created the 35-point checklist, Disruptive, Innovate, and Grow Profitably checklist. This checklist will help you begin thinking about how disruptors view your business and your market position. Where your business is most vulnerable, and your sweet spot that opens a pathway to disrupting how your business behaves. It is your mindset, and this is my promised free gift to you because you stayed to the end of this presentation. The 35-point checklist is an opportunity for you to perceive your business through a different set of criteria. Enter your information below to claim your 35-point checklist, Disrupt, Innovate, and Grow Profitably. Get your checklist now when you add your information below. Thank you for attending.